welcome back to SMKR. This is Steve. Up next is the Revell Monogram Battlestar Galactica. And this kit here is a collectible kit for obvious reasons. You just can't get it out there anymore. Maybe you can find one at a swap meet or two, or on an online auction. And that's how I picked up this beast. Anyway, we'll go ahead and tear into this kit. It's not quite to the same scale as the new Mobius release of the Battlestar Galactica, but it's very close to it. So let's open up the box and let's have a look at it. Alright, being that I purchased this used, this is what the parts this is what they look like as I opened up the box and what they look like inside. As you can see, you have the it here real quick. Considering how large of a piece of plastic this is, it looks very well produced. There's no sink marks in the plastic and so forth. Very sturdy piece of plastic. Light gray, it's a good color to start with, and like any other model out there, you'd want to wash this thoroughly in soap and water, rinse it off to get any of the release agents from the molds. But it's still be nice if they would re-release this kit. This particular release came out in 1997, along with Cylon Raider and Viper. Looking closely at the details on the underside, I mean, it's wow. For back in the time, this had a lot of detail to it. In there. Moving on. If you can pick yourself up one of these, I would highly recommend it. Depending on your budget, of course. I won this in an auction and I got it at a fairly reasonable price. I think I picked it up for like $36 on an auction, so which really shocked me. So there you have it. That's the underside. The underside trenching area. Look at the detail there. Very detailed, very nice. Next are the landing bays, and there's 4 pieces there. Looks like the top portion of the landing bay. And really no detailing on the sides there. Landing bays weren't quite right, but I mean they still represent the Galactica very well. Mostly all raised detail, no scribed panel lines, it's all raised. Bottom portion of the landing base, I mean, they didn't hold back. They detailed the bottom side too, just as much as they did the top side. Still, you know, you have some indicators there of tank kits, tank models that were incorporated into this. Monogram did a really good job trying to represent that. It's always nice to see. Made in the USA by Monogram, 1978. Those are the landing bays. Now here's the back engine exhaust area. Would require some cutting out and some clear plastic put in place for the lighting, but I think it would be very convincing, very nice. Here's the nose section of the Galactica. And here's some side pieces. Here's some more side details. Actually 2 of these. Here's the other one. Fairly thick plastic. Here's the details that go on the nose area, those large openings on the side. And the other one. And lastly, with the plastic, we have the stand that comes with it, which represents a moon of some sort. Tons of craters on it. Plastic stand, and then there's some more attachment points for the Galactica. More detail components. Here's the decals that come with it, and pretty much most of this can be spray painted, masked, and painted itself, but they did give you different options. The Galactica, Pegasus, Atlanta, Pacifica, Trident, and the Rikon. Pretty rough copy of the decals. I probably won't even use them. And then here's the standard Revell monogram type instruction sheet. Assembling the hull assembly, equipment bulkheads, lower hull to the upper hull, the rear thruster ports in the back, aft hull star drive section, forward sensor array, forward convet panel, the bone back panel, turn it around a little bit here, side view. This is 3618 for the kit. Again, looks like the same shots on this side also. And then the other releases that are out there. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed a little detailed review of the Monogram's Battlestar Galactica. Hope you're able to find one yourself, and I really would like to see this re-released by Revell Monogram. Anyway, have a great day, and go build something.